Here at the mill, high-grade cotton arrives. Each bale is carefully stacked on pallets. This fiber is destined for rupee note production. Only the finest materials are accepted.
Tensile strength meets currency standards.
Moisture analysis is complete. The reading is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Tensile strength also meets the rupee standard.
The tension adjustment looks good now.
Yes, the feed rate is stable.
Every reel undergoes precise digital scanning. Microscopic variances are instantly tagged for rejection.
Zoom in on section 4B. The watermark alignment is off by 2 millimeters. Confirmed. Tagging for rejection.
This high-speed offset press is the backbone of our operation. It prints complex guilloche patterns with absolute precision. Every sheet is monitored in real time.
Registration on the magenta plate is slightly off.
Adjusting the alignment now.
Each packet is rapidly verified for exact note count. Any exceptions are diverted for manual recheck. Unfit rupee notes are fed into the heavy-duty shredder. The falling confetti is compressed by a hydraulic press. These dense briquettes are now ready for disposal. This matches the manifest. Mark it as verified. Let's move to the next. Deep within this facility lies a vault holding trillions of rupees. Guarded by biometric systems, it is practically impenetrable. Inside this highly secure facility, order is everything. Every movement is tracked with absolute precision.
Crate 42, verified. Lock it in. Lock it in. Manifest cleared.
A fortified convoy begins its journey. Millions en route ensures the nation's currency reaches a precision operation of vital national importance.
Control, gate is secure. Convoy entering the Sally port now.
Roger. Stand by for confirmation.
Scanning manifest complete. Total value updated.
Security check confirmed. Batch 742 confirmed.
Noted. Moving to the next pallet.
Crate 4B, 5 crore allocation.
Scanned and logged. Moving to the next pallet.
This crate is ready for shelving. Location B3. Confirmed. The next pallet is ready for intake. The count is complete, Mr. Das. Here are your 25,000 rupees. Please verify.
Here is the payment.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
From raw cotton fiber to secure public circulation, this is the highly coordinated industrial ecosystem of the rupee.